Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns or manages the business entry. This is crucial because edits require ownership verification. Once signed in, open Google Maps or the business profile dashboard and search for the business name. Make sure you pick the exact listing, because duplicate entries can cause confusion. After you locate the correct profile, click Edit or suggest an edit to begin changing the phone number. This begins the verified change workflow. Now you edit contact information. Select Contact Info, then Phone. You should enter the full number including country code and local formatting so Google validates it correctly. Once entered, double-check for typos and, if available, add a second contact number for redundancy. Save the changes. Google may queue the update for review. Make sure to supply any supporting documentation if you manage through business profile. This speeds verification and reduces rejection risk. Finish by monitoring verification. You'll get a confirmation email or see status changes in the dashboard. Once Google approves, view the live maps listing to confirm the new number displays correctly and test the call link. If the change is delayed or reverted, make sure the account still shows ownership, resubmit verification documents, or use the business profile support options to dispute incorrect edits. Remember, consistent public records and exact formats reduce verification friction and speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.